just gave them their boiled egg, and they love it. Hey, chickie, 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 chickie. There's Mama that just came into the picture. And, yep, there's Dot. Dot is the one that's always on the eggs. She loves the eggs. They love their eggies. That little kitty there, look at her cheek feather. This is an Americana right here. And she is getting her cheek feathers. Say hi. Hi, cheeky, cheeky, cheeky.